In this column here, our colleague Johnny is trying to create a new item by joining the budget code and the department. However, we need to have a hyphen as part of the new item. It's always best to start with the formula on the first row. And what we want is the second bit of the text to be a hyphen. Then we can join cell B2. OK. And autofill down. With this column over here, the first two cells appear to be correct. And if we check the formula bar for the third item, can you spot the issue? The easiest thing would be to autofill one of the correct answers. With the totals, this one here is easy peasy. Johnny forgot to start with the equal sign. This cell is actually displaying the wrong answer. Check the formula bar. We need to extend the range of cells. The total spend for IT purchases should be $6,300. Let's unravel the mystery in the formula bar. With the range, we're just telling SUMIF where to look. The criteria is, what do you want SUMIF to look for? And each time it finds a match, which column do you want to add to the sum? My guess is that Johnny, our esteemed colleague, built one formula and autofilled down, and it all went wrong from there. Ideally, we should fix this formula on the first row and re-autofill. So B2 to B9, we need to make it an absolute cell reference, select the range and press F4 on our keyboard. And if we look at the sum range, it has the same problem. Autofill down. Boom. And over here, we know that each of the departments placed at least 1, 2, or 3 orders. The range looks okay, but the criteria is a text value, so Excel needs this wrapped in double quotes. And when we press enter, we get the correct result. But when we autofill down, things are not quite right. The range needs to be absolute so that it doesn't change when we autofill. Instead of typing cells in here, we can get COUNTIF to look at cell A12. And when we autofill, A12 will become A13, A14, A15.